Hey, ndị mụ na ha yiwe dị ụwa, ndị mmiri, ndị egede. I came with Fanta. Please accept this Fanta. Fanta is the most sweetest thing in life. But I want you people to make me to be sweeter than this Fanta.
My country people, na this TC virus fit a lot of Nigerians, so as he don kukuma turn deaf ears to those trolling him over this Fanta logo where he sign up for. The new lifestyle of TC virus be say talk about me, I go dey make money as this my Fanta is here to stay. The kind money where this guy they make on top people's head now, it go shock you. If you go to him page and see the kind of trolls, and those trolls na money, cause comments and likes na money be engagement to choke, and people no understand. So as engagement choke, the guy they try use on a head, he they create content, they make money, and people they take it personal. See, this guy na victim. There is no how he will be happy say Junior Pope by he don't see say Nigeria some of una no get sense. Now so he turn the thing where una they drag him to content. At least make it kukuma make money out of it before the thing go down. Make we see the video where they trend.
I have suffered a lot. Baba, please help me. You know my can be. Baba, I am tired of suffering. Drop your sacrifice. Hey, ndị mụ na ha yiwe dị ụwa, ndị mmiri, ndị egede. I came with Fanta. Please accept this Fanta. Fanta is the most sweetest thing in life. But I want you people to make me to be sweeter than this Fanta. This is all I ask. Divine connections and divine favor. Accept my sacrifice because long life and prosperity. Dikono, Jakun Nalon Fanta, no offense to you. Do. Because I told you to wait for me. Why did you do it? Hey! Baba! Order! Hey! Baba! You accepted my sacrifice. You accepted my Fanta. Hey! Thank you. May the gods be praised. I thank you. Thank you for answering my prayers. I knew it. I came with my clean heart. Pure heart.
My people, now this particular video make people start again to dey troll this boy. Let's look at people's reaction. This one talk say, I'm not against whatever you are doing. You should have waited for the young man to be buried before this whole Fanta content. At least show some respect to the departed. Another person talk say, I just hate this dude. I don't know why. Not because of the JP saga, but I just don't like him from the first day I saw him on my screen. No hard feelings. Another person talks say, Chai, this kind of content not expected from you now, bro. R.I.P. Junior Pope forever in our mind. My people. Another person talks say, Chai, you get heart and mind. This one talks say, for your mind you think you are smart, you think it's Fanta that save you. Continue giving glory to Fanta. God, they look you. My people, a lot of reactions from different people. But one thing you not go understand be say, the more they talk about this guy, the more he's making money. I'm telling you guys, he's using you guys' brain. TC virus understand the game, and now why he dey win be this. Make una know. My people, I don't talk too much. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more bringing news with the tutorial. But deal, Nana see they do for here. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video. See they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Ngwano, bye.